With the lock removed from the door, firmly press the C button to reset the code chamber. Remove the 2 screws and carefully lift off the code change plate, checking that all springs are held in place. The coloured tumblers define the code. The silver non-code tumblers fill the other positions. The C tumbler is also silver and must always be used as the first digit of a code. Therefore, we can see the existing code in this lock is C1670Y. Please note, if changing the code for a CL500 lock, you'll notice the tumblers are slightly wider in shape and do not feature a circular indent. If changing the code on one of our legacy models, the code-defining tumblers may have red tips. If this is the case, the non-code tumblers will have blue tips. These are the equivalent to the coloured and silver tumblers shown in this video. Holding the lock in your hand, depress the C button. Keeping the C button depressed throughout the code change process is essential to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Using tweezers or long-nose pliers, remove the required tumblers to prepare for setting your new code. Do not remove the C tumbler. When repositioning the tumblers, the square notches must face outwards with the square tips at the top. Do not force the tumblers in. With all tumblers repositioned, we can see the new code in this lock will be C26780. You can now release the C button. If the C button tumbler stays up, gently tap it back down. Replace the code change plate carefully with the 2 screws. Check that your new code is working and make a written note of it before reinstalling the lock.